In this video tutorial, we're going to link a Telegram price bot into a Telegram group chat so we can receive live updates of the GLQ token. Welcome in, guys and gals. So the first thing that we want to do is download Telegram. And since I'm going to be using my iPhone, I'm going to be downloading Telegram from the App Store. If you want to download Telegram for any of your other devices, you can do so by going to telegram.org. Okay, let's go to our iPhones, go to the App Store, type in Telegram, hit download, hit open. Just a disclaimer, guys, I'll be blocking out any private information from now on. Okay, so click start messaging, enter your cell phone number that you'll be using. So since I have the Telegram app on my PC, the verification code will be sent there. But for the new Telegram users, the code will be sent to your phone or email. Nice. We got the Telegram app on our phone. Now tap on the top right corner and click on New Group. Go ahead and add the people that you want for your new group. Create your group name. Okay, awesome. Now we've successfully created a new group. Now go and type in @botfather. That is @BOTFATHER and hit the send arrow. Click on the @botfather message. Real quick, so what exactly is Botfather? Botfather is a bot that creates new bots and manages existing bots. Alright, go ahead and type in \start. Now these are a bunch of commands that Botfather provides you with for the bots that you create. So since we are creating a new bot, type in or just hit \new bot. Now we get to name our bot. Type in a name for it. I'm going to name mine Graphlinq test. Great. Now we have to make a username for the bot that we just made. We'll be using the username to call or add our bot in the future, so make sure it's memorable. There are some constraints for our username. We can't have any space, we have to choose a username that hasn't been created already, and we have to make sure that the bot's username ends with the word bot. So get creative, guys. Congrats on making a new bot. Now below here is the whole reason why we did this. This is your bot's API token. Make sure that you don't share this token with anyone. Keep it secure, because if anyone accesses this, your bot could get compromised, which is exactly why I have mine blacked out right now. Well, for the most part. Now let's go ahead and copy this token by tapping onto the message. We're copying this token because we are going to use it later for Graphlinq's Telegram bot that's on the IDE. And because I'm on my phone, I'm going to send the token to myself via email, so it gets sent to my computer. However, do whatever works best for you so you can safely access your token later on. Now we need to make sure our bot's privacy settings are enabled so we can send / messages to our bot from Graphlinq's IDE. Type in /set privacy. Tap on your bot. Go ahead and hit enable. Perfect. Our bot is fully set up. Now all we need to do is add our bot into our newly created group. Head back over to the group that we just made. At the top where it says add member, tap that. And if you're on your computer, it should be the 3 buttons on the top right corner. Okay, so let's enter the username of our bot. Nice. Our bot is now in our new group. Now let's go back to Graphlinq's homepage, graphlinq.io. Click on Go to Interface, log into your wallet, and if you don't know how to do that, click on the tutorial video on how to connect your MetaMask wallet to Graphlinq's IDE. Watch the entire video and then come back here. By the way, guys, at the time of this recording, Graphlinq is not charging for their services. Everything is currently free. This is the dashboard interface. It's where you can see all of the graphs that are connected to your account, so you can access them. We'll get more into this in another tutorial. But for now, click on Make a Graph at the top left corner. Now these are all the current templates that have been made by the Graphlinq developers. A lot more templates are underway, but for now, click on the template at the bottom that is labeled Bot Telegram Giving Live Price from Uniswap. Click on to Go to IDE. Excellent guys, we are now in Graphlinq's IDE. I know, there's a lot going on. But real quick, let's make sure that you're logged in. At the top right corner, you'll know if you're logged in if you see your wallet's address. If so, you're good. If not, tap on to Connect to Wallet. Now while using your mouse, right mouse click and hold so that you can move around in the IDE. Try not to mess around with any of the text or blocks that are currently in the IDE. You can mess up a connection with your graph. Just simply look around. To briefly explain what's going on, you're seeing a bunch of blocks on the IDE that are connected together, retrieving data from Uniswap, CoinGecko, and Etherscan. All of the collected data gets sent to your Telegram bot. I know it's overwhelming, but trust me, it's actually very intuitive, a lot easier to understand, and less of an eyesore than regular code. Okay, let's hold our right mouse click and move down to the bottom left corner to where it says Telegram bot. This right here is essentially your Telegram bot, and over to the left where it says string and underneath it says value, you'll see an empty text box with 3 imaginary dots. Go ahead and paste the API token into the string box. So hit Ctrl V. Now move your mouse to the top left corner and hover over execution. Click on launch. Now our graph is processing. You'll know if everything has worked properly if you don't receive any red error message at the bottom right corner of the terminal. Okay, perfect. Everything has worked and our graph is now live. Excellent. We can actually verify to see if our graph is live if we go back to the dashboard interface. Now, you could go back to the home page and tap on interface, or you could tap right here where it says documentation. Then parallel of dashboard interface is the link app.graphlinq.io. Click that. Log back in if you need to. Now click on graphs and yep, we're live. You can see the green dot here, which means it's running. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's go back into our newly created group in Telegram. Now type in \GLQ. And voila, a live price update of the GLQ token, powered by Graphlinq. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, well that concludes our tutorial, but real quick, I want to show you guys something. Let's hop back into the IDE. Now remember when we double checked to make sure our bot's privacy settings were enabled? This is why right here. This is what triggers the entire graph to work. This \GLQ is what commands the entire graph. And boom, you get your live update in Telegram. I know, it's nuts. Now don't change this command \GLQ and think that you can get any token in Uniswap. That's simply not how it works. You're gonna have to change a couple more things in order to retrieve the corresponding data to get the given token. And for that, we'll have to save for our next tutorial video on how to retrieve any token from Uniswap using the Telegram bot that we just made. Thanks for watching guys, this is Baruch here from Graphlinq. Continue to make and use some awesome graphs.